And this is the latest developments as far as the Hathras case is concerned. Now, remember, the special investigation team has been probing the Hathras case. This team now has got 8 days left for them to complete their probe. But remember, they were given a longer deadline. The time was extended for them to submit their final report. The SIT team is not just probing the main murder and alleged gang rape case of the 19-year-old girl in Hathras village, but also the circumstances under which she was cremated. In fact, the SIT is expected to record statements of nearly 40 villagers who say they were witnesses to the alleged, who claim to be witnesses in the case. On Friday, the SIT recorded statements of the local policemen and the PAC deployed on the night of the cremation, and they're also expected to recreate the crime scene today. Let me, in fact, go across to Alok, who's joining us for more details. Alok, first off, give us a sense of the SIT team's probe. We know that they have been given more time now. So take us through what the latest developments are.
Well, Avni, good morning to you. But today it's an important day because a special investigation team that is investigating this case, they are likely to recreate the scene, that is the crime scene. Remember, there was the alleged gang rape and there were various versions were coming out into this case. In fact, there the other aspect of this case that was related to the cremation that was done without the consent of the family. Yesterday, they have recorded the statement of the local police and also the PAC, means that the armed police that was deployed during the time of the cremation. Remember, in fact, the Uttar Pradesh government, the administration had earlier claimed that there was the tension prevailing in the village on the day when her death took place, and when the body was being supposed to be taken to the Hathras from Safdarjung Hospital, the ruckus that was created in the national capital, they were also suspecting that the ruckus will be created in the Hathras village as well. So that is why the deployment of police was also made on that night, and that's why the armed police was also called, that is the PAC, and 2 companies of PAC was also there. So their statements are also being recorded by the SIT, and yesterday the officers recorded their statements who were deployed at that point in time, and also the local police that was deployed at that point in time, they also recorded their statement. So what we can say, Avni, is that the SIT has also begun their probe that is related to the other aspect, that is related to the cremation that was done without the consent of the family. Apart from that, the murder, the alleged rape and murder, that is also being investigated. There is an important day, the recreation may also takes place, and the 40 persons who were earlier summoned by the SIT, they may also start giving their statements from today only. Back to you.
That's right, Alok. In fact, the other part here is the security that has been tightened at the victim's house as well in Hathras. 60 security personnel have been deployed. The 8 CCTV cameras that have been installed. The police has said that a control room could also be set up as well. And the number of visitors who are coming in, remember, there have been a long list of visitors who have been visiting the victim's family. So those records are all being maintained as well. And each family member has 2 security personnel for their personal security. So Alok, here obviously there is a lot of security that is being given to the family of the Hathras victim.
See, Avni, more than more than 10 CCTV cameras are installed in and around the house, and in fact 3 layers of security personnel are also there. That is, 1 is the CCTV cameras, 2 is the police presence outside their residence, and 1 is outside the village as well. There are 3 layered security that is being provided to the family members. Remember, there were various meetings were held near the village, around the village, by the people who were supporting, what we can say, that who are supporting the accused person. So in that respect, the security has been given to the family members. Remember, there are 4 accused who are related to this case. All are staying in the same village, or their family members are staying in the same village. So the family members had also told the administration that the victims' family members had told the administration that they are having the security threat and they needed the security. In fact, they raised the issue of in front of each and every political party, whichever they reach there, and they talk to the family members. So this is the reason that the security has been provided to the family members. But the question here arises that will the security remain like this in the coming days or not? Back to you.
Yes, absolutely, Alok. That is something we'll have to watch out for. But like you pointed out, today is going to be important in terms of the SIT's probe and the entire crime scene itself that is going to be recreated. Thank you so much for joining us with those details.